What we're going to do on this episode is talk about crypto scams and how you can protect yourself. Avoiding crypto scams. What can happen? Avoiding scams in the cryptocurrency space is essential to protect your investments and personal information. The crypto industry has seen its fair share of scams and fraudulent activities due to its relatively new and decentralized nature. Here are some common scams and steps you can take to avoid falling victim to them. Phishing scams. Scammers may send emails or messages posing as legitimate cryptocurrency exchanges or wallets asking you to provide your private keys, recovery seed, or personal information. They might also create fake websites that closely resemble real platforms. Always double check the URL and domain name before entering any sensitive information. It doesn't hurt to double check. Don't click on any suspicious links, and always remember, you should never share your private seed with anyone. Ponzi schemes. Ponzi schemes promise high returns on investments, but actually use the funds from new investors to pay off earlier investors. Be cautious of any investment opportunities that guarantee unrealistic returns or relies heavily on recruiting new participants. And if an investment sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Fake initial coin offerings, also referred to as ICOs. Scammers might create fake ICOs or token sales for non-existent projects. You should always do your due diligence and research the project as well as their team. I also recommend to trust your gut. Legitimate projects provide detailed white papers, roadmaps, and information about their team members. Scammers can create fake cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets that look legitimate, but they're designed to steal your funds. Throughout the course, we will use several different legitimate online exchanges as well as legitimate wallets. Fraudsters might impersonate well-known figures in the crypto industry on social media platforms, offering fake giveaways, investment opportunities, or asking for private information. Verify the authenticity of social media accounts through official websites or verified profiles on platforms. Malware and ransomware. Malicious software can infect your device and steal your cryptocurrency holdings or hold your data ransom. Always use reputable antivirus software, avoid downloading files from untrusted sources, and keeping your operating system and software up to date. Regulatory oversight helps protect investors and provides a level of legitimacy to the project. In this course, we're going to be using a whiteboard and teaching you step by step how you can best protect yourself from all of these hacks and more. That's all we have for you in this video. We will see you in the next one.